I am very happy to be here next to Silvia. And I'm also very happy to be here in Venice. And Mayor Dugnado, you have a beautiful city. And I think this city was born and is so beautiful thanks to the enlightenment of the people that lived here for many years and centuries ago. And by the fact that Venice was the door to the East, and East has been a part of Venice's culture since many centuries, and is still continuing to be like this. Beauty is something that was also talked about by Xi Jinping in the last conference. And I think that beauty is an element that we all seek while we are traveling and while we're doing this activity that differentiates humans from most of the other species on the planet, which is the one to discover, to go and seek what is different from our culture and bring it back home with us. And by that, knowing more about ourselves, which at the end of the day will make us be more in peace with the other people next to us. At the same time, in order to enjoy all of this poetry that the travel brings to us, there are some practical aspects. If you are in an airport, you still want to know where to go and to which gate you have to reach. When you are in a hotel, you want to order from the menu in the language that you understand. If you are in a shop, you want to pay with your own credit card. This is the humble mission and work that Welcome Chinese has been doing since the past 5 years, thanks to the support of the China Tourism Academy and of Professor Daibin that gave us trust. We are here to give a little bit of guidance to the travel market as to what the Chinese travelers would like to enjoy when they visit us. After they do all of this trip, what it is that they want to receive as far as services so that they can enjoy our beautiful territories. I believe that this is a very simple mission, a very simple thing that we can all understand and relate to. We are very glad that next year, actually this year is the EU-China Tourism Year. We thank the European Union and Commission for having put funds aside so that all of this can happen and Europe can become even more in the minds of the Chinese travelers a unique destination. Today we also have here a journalist from Phoenix TV. Her program is called Talk with World Leaders. I hope that she will allow me the liberty, which I will take anyway, to say that we are for a day all world leaders. And with this power bestowed upon us by her grace, we should think of what we want for our travel industry. If I may, if I can, I will tell you my thought, which is the one of having more airplanes that bring us closer to each other, to possibly have less visas, which in 2018 maybe are a little bit anachronistic, to see more Accor hotels all around the world, to see more river cruises on our seas, to see more Chinese travelers discover the world and take some time for themselves. Thank you very much.
Thank you.